Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Many Android users feel their home screen looks too crowded. Some icons look too small or too large. This happens because of the default icon layout settings. If you want to change icon size and layout, do not worry. I will show you how to change icons layout on Android phone step by step. First, open Settings on your phone. Tap on the search bar at the top. Type Wallpaper and Style. Tap on the result. Now tap on Home Screen. Look for the option called Layout. Tap on it. Here you will see layout options like Medium, Large, and Extra Large. Select the layout size you prefer. The home screen will update automatically. That is how you change icons layout size on your Android phone. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more phone customization and troubleshooting videos.